I am Anuj Modi, Assistant Professor, Adina Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, with an interesting and learning episode of B.Pharm on the important topic Marine Pharmacognosy 1, that is about some novel agents from marine source and cosmetic ingredients, which is one of the important unit of section Pharmacognosy B.Pharm 6th semester. This is prepared by me and Dr. Vimal Kumar, Professor and Head, Department of Phytopharmaceuticals and Natural Product, Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Let's start our episode while taking a look at what we are going to learn today. Module 1, Marine Pharmacognosy and Role of Marine Source in Discovery of Novel Bioactive Agents. Module 2, Collection, Isolation and Characterization of Biologically Active Compounds from Marine Source. Module 3, Novel Agents from Marine Source. Module 4, Herbal Cosmetics. Module 5, Cosmetic Ingredients. Module 6, Herbs used in cosmetics and their role. Let's start with the general introduction about marine pharmacognosy. Module 1, Marine Pharmacognosy and Role of Marine Source in Discovery of Novel Bioactive Agents. For many years, traditional Western pharmacognosy focused on the investigation and identification of medicinally important plants and animals in the terrestrial environment, although many marine organisms were used in traditional Chinese medicines. With 79% of Earth's surface covered by water, research into the chemistry of marine organisms is relatively unexplored and represent a vast resource for new medicines to combat major diseases such as cancer, AIDS or malaria. The marine flora and animal worlds are a rich source of biologically active compounds. A great interest in these chemically varied compounds has resulted in the development of therapeutic agents from marine source which exhibit antiviral, antimicrobial, antineoplastic, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular agent, anticoagulant, marine toxin, antifungal activity, etc. These biologically active compounds are used for the treatment of various diseases in human beings. Several well-known marine organisms has been used for many of years, including agar, alginic acid, cod liver oil, spermaceti, carrageenan, protamine sulfate, etc. Module 2, Collection, Isolation and Characterization of Biologically Active Compounds from Marine Sources. It involves many steps. A. Collection of samples. During collection of marine sample, we should be record the longitude, latitude, depth, water temperature, salinity and date of collection. Habitat of collection should be recorded. After collection, storage of collected sample depends on the nature of sample. Sample may be lyophilized or dried at room temperature or frozen at -20 degrees centigrade or placed in alcohol. Drying of the sample should be completed before extraction by lyophilization to remove excess water and therefore limit the amount of highly polar compound extracted. B. Isolation and characterization of biologically active compounds. The different steps are required to obtain a biologically active compounds are: first, extraction; second, chromatographic purification; third, bioassay testing and structure elucidation. The sample may be triturated and extracted with a suitable solvent or macerated. Some solvents used are methanol, chloroform, ethanol, acetonitrile or others. The purpose is to remove organic compounds that have a medium polarity which are considered more drug-like. Ideally, polar compounds like salts, peptides, sugar as well as very non-polar compounds like lipids are left behind to simplify chromatographic since they are not generally considered drug-like. Bioassay guided fractionation is a common method to find biologically active compounds. This involves testing the crude extract or preliminary fractions from chromatography in an assay or multiple assay to determine what fraction or crude extract shows activity in the specific assay, and further fractionation the active fraction or extract. This step is then repeated where the new fraction are tested and the active fraction are further fractionated. This continues until the fraction only contains one compound. Structural elucidation of active compound is performed by using different spectroscopic techniques like UV, IR, NMR and mass spectroscopy. Now we will study about some potent biologically active compounds isolated from marine source. Module 3, Novel Agents from Marine Source. A wide variety of novel therapeutic agents has been isolated from marine source which exhibit antiviral, antineoplastic, anti-inflammatory, cardiovascular agent, marine toxins and antifungal activity and are used in the treatment of various diseases in human beings. A. Anti-cancer agents obtained from marine source. Araci, that is also known as cytosine arabinocytes, it is obtained from Caribbean sponge which is used in the treatment of acute myelogenous leukemia and human acute leukemia. Second, kerosene acetate, that is obtained from Caribbean gorganian, that is Pseudopraxora porosa. It showed cytotoxic effect in human leukemia and HeLa cells in vitro. Next compound, geraniol hydroquinone, that is obtained from Aplydium species. It is cytotoxic to leukemia and mammary carcinomas. Next compound, aplastatin. It is obtained from Aplasia agensi, which shows anti-leukemic activity. Second, cardiovascular agents obtained from marine source, that is anthoplurin A and B. It is obtained from Anthopleura xanthogranica. It shows strong positive inotropic effect without acting on sodium potassium ATP sperm, heart rate and blood pressure in various animals. Next, laminine. It is obtained from Laminaria angustata. It produces potent hypotensive effect. Next, D-octopamine. It is obtained from Octopus macrophus. It produces adrenergic cardiovascular response. Next, saxitoxin. It is obtained from Saxidomus gignatus. It produces hypotensive effect. Next, autonomium chloride. It is obtained from Verongia fistularis. It produces both alpha and beta adrenergic effect. Now we study the marine toxins obtained from marine source. Saxitoxins, it is obtained from Gonalex sentinella. It blocks membrane sodium ion conductance. Lophotoxins, it is obtained from Lophogorgia rigida, which act as neuromuscular blocking agent. Halimeditriol, it is obtained from Halimeda opuntia. It showed potent antimicrobial and cytotoxic effects. Patoxin, it is obtained from Polythoa species, which act as potent coronary vasoconstrictor. Some of the novel agents isolated from marine source have been approved by FDA and are used effectively in the treatment of various disorders in the human beings are Araci, it is obtained from sponge which act on DNA polymerase and produces anti-cancer effect. Ara-A, that is also known as vidrabine, it acts on viral DNA polymerase and produces antiviral effect. Ziconotide, it is obtained from cone snail which act on N type of calcium channel and produces analgesic effect. Eribulin mesylate, it is obtained from sponge which act on microtubules and produces anti-cancer effect. Omega-3 fatty acid ethyl ester, which are obtained from fish which act on triglyceride synthesizing enzyme and produces anti-hypertriglyceridemia. Dear friends, Up till now, you have gained a complete idea about various novel agents obtained from marine source and their collection, isolation and characterization. If you have missed any of the module or content, you may log on to our website www.cec.nic.in to download videos, FAQs, LOR and other content so that you can remain updated with this chapter. Now let's move ahead to our next module, that is about herbal cosmetics and various ingredients used in the formulation. Module 4, Herbal Cosmetics. Plants are highly used for the development of new drug product for cosmeceuticals and pharmaceutical application. The concept of beauty and cosmetics dated back to ancient mankind and civilization. Generally, herbal cosmetics are also referred to as natural cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are formulated using various permissible cosmetic ingredients to form the base in which one or more herbal ingredients are used in crude or extract form to provide defined cosmetic benefits. They offer a way to put the body in proper tune with nature. The demand of herbal cosmetics is increasing rapidly due to their skin friendliness and lack of side effects. The natural content in the herbs does not have any side effect on human body, instead provides the body with nutrients and other useful minerals. Cosmeceuticals. The term cosmeceuticals was first used by Raymond Reed, founding member of US Society of Cosmetic Chemists in 1961. Cosmeceuticals are cosmetic pharmaceutical hybrid intended to enhance health and beauty through ingredient that influences the skin biological texture and function. Advantages of herbal cosmetics over synthetic cosmetic. First, supply the body with nutrient and enhance health. Different plants part and plants extract are used in these products, for example, aloe vera gel and coconut oil. They also consist of natural nutrient like vitamin E that keeps skin healthy, glowing and beautiful. Second, free from synthetic chemicals. Butylated hydroxyanisole and butylated hydroxytoluene are closely related synthetic antioxidants and are used as preservative in lipstick and moisturizers, which can induce allergic reaction in the skin as well as carcinoma. Herbal cosmetics contains natural antioxidants like vitamin C. Third, compatible with all type of skin. Natural cosmetics are suitable for all type of the skin, no matters if you are dark or fair. Women with oily or sensitive skin can also use them and never have to worry about degradation their skin condition. Fourth, contains natural colors. Coal tar derived colors are used extensively in cosmetics. Coal tar is recognized as a human carcinogen, but natural colors that are obtained from herbs are safer. They used natural color obtained from herbs, for example, saffron imparts yellow color. Fifth, no need to test on animals. Some cosmetics are initially tested on animals to ensure that they are safe and effective to use for human. However, natural cosmetics need not be tested on animals. These natural formulations are tested by experts in laboratory by using state-of-art equipment with no animals involved. 6. Fit to your budget. Natural cosmetics are not that expensive as synthetic one. In fact, most of these products are more offered at discounted price and are sold for a cheap price during sales. Classification of herbal cosmetics. Herbal cosmetics are mainly classified depending upon their use. They are classified into two categories. First, skincare product. Second, hair care product. First, skincare product. Herbal skin cosmetics providing a specific result ranging from acne control and anti-wrinkle effect to sun protection. These products improves the functioning or texture of the skin by boosting collagen growth, by eradicating harmful effect of free radicals, maintaining keratin structure in good condition and making the skin healthier. For example, creams, lotions, moisturizers, face washes, etc. Second, hair care products. Hair care products are those that helps to control the properties and behavior of the hair so that it can be maintained in a controlled or desirable manner. Example, hair conditioner, hair spray, hair straightener and relaxer, shampoos, etc. Module 5, Cosmetic Ingredients. A variety of formulation is available in the market which is manufactured by adding herbs in extract or powder form. They are mixed with number of ingredients like antioxidant, detergents, surfactant, emollients, emulsifier, exfoliants, humectants, hydrators, sequestrant, tonics, volumizer, preservative, antimicrobial agent, coloring agent and fragrance. Additives added into the formulation depends on the type of formulation. We will study the role of each additives added in the herbal cosmetics one by one. First, antioxidants. Antioxidants are the substance that counter the destructive effect of free radicals in the body, which are a major cause of disease and aging. Antioxidants protects tissue against cellular damage by stabilizing free oxygen molecule. Antioxidants are often used in natural preservative system to prevent oxidation of fats and oil. For example, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, alpha lipoic acid, eugenol, ginger and green tea. Second, detergents. Detergents have the ability to emulsify oils and hold dirt in suspension form. Detergent can vary widely in composition. Though some can be plant-based, most are processed with petroleum derivatives or are synthetic. Example, coconut oil soap, palm oil soap, cocamide DEA, cocamidopropyl betaine. Third, emollients. They soften and smooth the skin and reduces dryness, roughness and irritation. In hair care products, they restore lost moisture to hair fiber, contributing to shine and strength. Example, coconut fatty alcohol, essential fatty acids, shea butter, jojoba oil. Fourth, emulsifiers. Emulsifiers are used to help oil and water bind together and stay in suspension. For example, lecithin, carrageenan. Fifth, exfoliants. Exfoliants encourage skin cell regeneration by removing dead skin cells, making way for new cells underneath. Manual exfoliants such as groundnut, meal and jojoba wax spheres gently slough off dead skin cells, while fruit acid exfoliants dissolves the cellular glue that holds skin cell together to reveal new fresh cells. Enzymatic exfoliants such as papaya digest dead cells and offer the mildest form of exfoliation. Exfoliants are used in masks, scrubs and cleansing lotions. 6. Humectants. Humectants promotes retention of water in hair and skin care products by attracting and binding water to themselves. For example, vegetable glycerin, sorbitol, honey, mucopolysaccharides. 7. Hydrators. Hydrators supplies water to the hair and skin. Plants' liquids are the best source of beneficial hydrating agents. For example, aloe vera, orange pith juice, vegetable glycerin, deionized water. 8th, sequestrant. Chelating agent act by binding to the and removing metal ions such as calcium, magnesium and iron, and non-metal ions such as chlorine and salt from hard water, causing hair to be cleansed and rinsed more thoroughly. Sequestrant also helps minimize discoloration of natural and color treated hair that might normally be altered by pooled and salt water or excessive perspiration. For example, rice extract, citric acid, kelp extract, alginates. 9th, surfactants. Surfactants are responsible for wetting dispersion and emulsification. Wetting enhances the spreading and penetrating ability of liquid, which in turn improves the cleansing ability of water. There are three basic types of the surfactant commonly used in shampoos formulation: detergents, soaps and saponin glycosides. 10th, tonics. Tonics are herbal extract that soothe, clarify, stimulate or improve the condition of the skin, hair and scalps. These are typically extracted in vegetable glycerin, water or natural grain alcohol or added as essential oil. For example, horsetail, nettle, ginseng, chamomile. 11th, volumizers. Volumizers are the substance that binds to and thicken hair fiber to increase fullness. For example, soya protein, almond protein, wheat protein, herbal gums. 12th, color and dyes. Color are used to impart the color to cosmetics. In herbal cosmetics, natural color are used like beetroot powder used to impart the red color, saffron used to impart the yellow to orange color and curcumin is used to impart yellow color to cosmetic formulations. 13. Perfuming agents. Perfuming agents are added to cosmetic formulations to impart fragrance in formulations. Various volatile oils are used to impart the fragrance which increases acceptability of cosmetics. For example, jasmine oil, rose oil, musk oil, sandalwood oil. Compiled list of common various ingredients used in the herbal cosmetics are given in the table. Antioxidants or preservatives: vitamin C, vitamin E, eugenol that is clove oil, ginger. Detergents that is coconut oil soap, palm oil soap, cocamide DEA, cocamidopropyl betaine. Oils and fats: almond oils, sunflower oils, cocoa butter. Emollients: coconut fatty alcohol, essential fatty acids, shea butter, jojoba oil. Emulsifier: lecithin, carrageenan. Humectants: glycerin, sorbitol, honey, mucopolysaccharides. Hydrators: aloe vera, orange pith juice. Sequestrants: rice extract, citric acid, kelp extract, alginates. Surfactants: quelja and yucca saponins, soapworts, detergents. Fungicides and bacteriostats: citrus seeds, peel extract, eucalyptus, clove oil. Tonics: nettle, ginseng. Volumizers: soya protein, almond protein, wheat protein. Colors or dyes: beetroot powder, red color, saffron, yellow orange color, curcumin, yellow color. Perfuming agent: various volatile oils like rose, jasmine, musk. Module 6: Herbs used in cosmetics and their role. There are numerous herbs available naturally having different uses in cosmetic preparations for skin care, hair care and as antioxidants, fragrants, etc. Some of important herbs used in cosmetics are as follows. First, coconut oil. Coconut oil is derived from the fruits or seeds of coconut palm tree, that is Cocos nucifera, belonging to family Araceae. The melting point of coconut oil is 24 to 25 degrees centigrade and thus can be used easily in liquid or solid forms. Coconut oil is excellent as a skin moisturizer and softener. It produces by crushing copra, that is dried kernel, which contains about 60 to 65% of oils. Coconut oil contains a high amount of glycerides of lower chain fatty acids. Second, aloe vera. Aloe vera is a herbal plant species belonging to family Liliaceae. It is an ingredient in many cosmetics because it heals, moisturizes and softens skin. Simply cut one of the leaves of aloe vera to extract the soothing gel. Aloe vera contains amino acids like leucine, isoleucine, saponin glycosides and vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, choline, B12, folic acid that provides cleansing action as well as antioxidant activity. Third, neem. Neem or margosa. It is obtained from the tree of Azadirachta indica belonging to family Meliaceae. The common treatment for the dandruff is neem. It produces antifungal, antibacterial, pain relieving and anti-compound that would treat dandruff. Fourth, carrot. It is obtained from plant Ducus carota belonging to family Apiaceae. It have abundant amount of vitamin A along with other essential vitamin. Carrot seeds oil is used as anti-aging and revitalizing agent. Fifth, jojoba oil. It is a mixture of long chain linear liquid wax esters extracted from the seeds of desert herbs, that is Simonsia chinensis belonging to the family Simonsiaceae. Jojoba oil replenishes what skins and hair loses and restore them to their natural pH balance. 6. Green tea. Green tea extract is obtained from tea plant, that is Camellia sinensis belonging to family Theaceae. Green tea extract or an individual green tea are rich source of polyphenols, especially epigallocatechin 3-gallate, which inhibit chemical carcinogenesis as well as photocarcinogenesis induced by ultraviolet B radiation. 7th, calendula. Calendula officinalis have a remarkable antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and wound healing activities. Essential oil of calendula consists mainly of alpha-thiosin, beta-pinene, 1,8-cineol and T-mulolol. 8. Turmeric. It is a deep yellow to orange powder that comes reduce the number of ultraviolet B radiation induced sunburn cells. 9th, henna. Henna comes from the plant Lawsonia inermis belonging to family Lythraceae, which contain a dye molecule called lasone. Other constituent presents are gallic acid, glucose, mannitol, fats, resins, mucilase and traces of an alkaloids. Lasone have shown significant antifungal, antibiotic effects. 10th, shikakai. The fruits of Acacia conscinia belonging to family Leguminosae are used for washing and improving hair growth. The powder of shikakai shows the presence of saponin, alkaloids, sugar, tannins, flavonoids and anthraquinone glycosides. 11th, amla. It is highly praised both for its high vitamin C content and for the precious oil which is extracted from its seeds and pulps and used for the treatment of hair and scalp problem. It is used in eyes syndrome and hair loss. 12. Tamarind. Fruits of Tamarindus indica belonging to family Fabaceae is an excellent source of vitamin B, phenolic content and contains minerals. Antioxidant capacity of tamarind is associated with high phenolic content. Some other herbs used in herbal cosmetics given in the table. Their common name, botanical source, part used and uses are given. Garlic. These are the dried bulbs of Allium sativum which promotes skin healing and produces antibacterial effect. Kalmeg. These are entire plant of Centella asiatica which promotes wound healing. Kesar. These are flowering top of Crocus sativus which used in skin cleansing lotion. Brahmi. Entire plant of Bacopa moneri which improves hair growth and induces good sleep. It is used in shampoos. Bringraj. It is the entire plant of Eclipta alba which promotes hair growth, widely used in shampoos and hair oils. Orange. These are dried peel of Citrus aurantium which is widely used in soaps and shampoos. Camphor oil. These are dried woods of Cinnamomum comifera which produces rubefacient effect. Tulsi oil. These are leaves of Ocimum santicum which produces anti-acne effect, so used in soaps and face wash. Marketed formulations. A large number of herbal cosmetics are prepared and marketed by many pharmaceutical companies which are used at a large scale by human beings. Some of the marketed herbal cosmetic formulations are given in the table. Face wash, apricot face wash, which is prepared by Himalaya Herbals. Shampoos, anti-dandruff shampoos prepared by Himalaya Herbals. Hair oil, Amla Brahmi hair oil prepared by Ayur Herbals. Creams, herbal massage cream prepared by Ayur Herbals. Anti-aging cream, Yuveda Age Renew 5 cream, which is prepared by Dabur Pharmaceuticals. Summary. Dear student, in this lecture, you have studied in detail about various marine bioactive compounds obtained from the marine source, which are used actively to treat various diseases in human beings like cancer, cardiovascular agent, anti-neoplastic agent. And simultaneously, you have studied about various permissible ingredients which are added into the herbal cosmetics. They provide various advantages over the synthetic cosmetics which you have already studied in this chapter. With all these information, here we comes to end of today's lecture. Do keep in mind what we discussed today. Time for you to self-study. If you want to learn more and enhance your knowledge, you may log on to our website www.cec.nic.in. Till then, keep studying. Goodbye.